Okay, we're back in ready for the next phase of our project, which I thought was laying the liner, but I realize I need more of these, these bricks for my retaining wall. You can see way over there at the job site. I still just have one layer, so I need some to stack on it. As I mentioned in our assembly facility here, we had a big stack of already purchased COTS product from a previous project where the estimator and the buyer grossly overestimated the number of bricks we needed for that project, so those went into storage, which is located here. Yeah, that's the storage. And so I've already taken a few out of storage and I've moved them over to the next area of the processing facility for the next phase. And since this is the first of what will undoubtedly be one Plan B engineering videos, I thought it might be good to kind of acquaint all of the fans. And so far, we don't have any. Well, we haven't posted any videos, so we got that going for us. So yeah, we're on the right side of the basketball facility in our multi-purpose facility, and that is where the pressure washing area is. So we had those COTS products, but they have previously been used as part of the retaining wall in the pond, and so when I emptied the pond, there is leftover pond scum, which is likely composed of fish waste and dried up dead algae. Okay, so the reason we use this part of our facility is because we can pressure wash right here, and all the schmuck and the leftover water just rolls off into the yard. And you can see that this area of the facility's had a lot of use lately, which is why, probably why, there's no grass in this part of the yard. We do have grass. I mean, you can see, it's kind of nice and green. We actually pay some clown to come out and walk around. I don't know what he's doing, but the main part's getting thicker. But we're kind of hard on this part. But another reason we use this facility, not only can the waste from this process roll right off of the processing floor, so that we can quickly convert, should a game of pickup break out at the basketball court. But the other reason is that here the excess water won't go back to the pond area, so I won't have the problem with it getting under the liner, and instead it kind of flows off down that way and goes over into a corner, and then in the corner on the other side of that fence, which is the neighbor's yard. So let's keep the exhaust part of the process our little secret. And okay, so we got that going for us. So here's our device. I don't have a cameraman, and my arm's not long enough, so you're gonna have to look at this in pieces. But this is the pressure washer that I have selected for this project. There's the nozzle. There's a lot of different size nozzles, and you want to make sure that you get the right size nozzle for your project. And so for this project, I have selected the yellow one. Yeah, and here's the rest of that gun. Oh, whoa, wait, danger, warning. I would read that, but we got a schedule to keep, and so you gotta have an acceptable level of risk in every project. So we're gonna skip that part, and then this is the other part to the pressure washer. I use an electric pressure washer. Again, I am an engineer and have absolutely no practical hands-on experience, and I'm just too inept to start any kind of gas powered device after the first use. The first time works every time, but when I bring it out to restart it, keep pulling those pull chains and nothing happens. But with the electric one. Starts up every time, generally pops the breaker or the GFI switch, but you know, being an engineer, I know how to flip those switches, and so I can deal with the challenges of the electrical power washer much more effectively than I can with the challenges I have with the gas one. You hook up your hose, and you try and get it hooked up so that there is an acceptable leak rate, which is anything that still has water coming out of this end, and you can see it is coming out of this end. Oh, huh. Yeah, I need to clean the back side of this. Oh, well, wait, maybe that's another project. And so I've plugged this in over there. You know, the next step here then is I have to press the button and hope that my delicate breaker doesn't trip. And it's on. I'll see you after we power wash the bricks.